kids, welcome back. Today we are going to learn capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H with colors. Yellow color, red color, purple color, orange color, pink color, blue color, green color, green color. A, slanting line, another slanting line and a small sleeping line. A, red color. B, standing line, small sleeping line and a curve, another big curve. B, before ball. Pink color. C, curve. C for cat. Orange color. Standing line and a curve. D for dog. Blue color. Standing line and small sleeping lines. E for egg. E for egg. Purple color. Again standing line and sleeping line. F. F for fish. F for fish. Yellow color. G. A curve. G. G for girl. G for girl. Light green color. Standing line, sleeping line, again standing line. H. H for hen. H for hen. Bye bye kids. Keep learning. Take care.